In the quiet space between innovation and imagination, a new silhouette emerges, calm, deliberate, inevitable. What happens when intelligence becomes the true engine of motion? Tonight, we step into a machine that may quietly redefine what progress feels like, one detail at a time. From the rise of smart mobility in the early electric era to the race for seamless digital ecosystems, the modern vehicle has become more than transportation, it's a platform. Within this shift, Zeekr emerged with a clear ambition: blend performance, software, and design into a single living product. The 7X arrives not as an experiment, but as a statement evidence of how fast the industry is learning to think like the tech world. Because the real story of this car isn't just engineering, it's timing, and timing changes everything. And then, the moment arrives, quiet, confident, almost cinematic in its restraint. The Zeekr 7X stands as a sculpted form of motion, its proportions balancing precision and presence. There's a sense of calm authority in the way it occupies space, like it already knows the future it was built for. You don't just look at it, you register it. Design here isn't about aggression, it's about flow. Surfaces are clean, almost architectural, allowing light to glide across the body like it was planned from the beginning. The lighting signature feels intentional, less decoration, more identity. Compared to earlier design languages in the segment, the 7X moves toward minimalism with confidence, replacing visual noise with clarity. It's the kind of design that ages slowly because it was never chasing a trend. At its core, the 7X is built on a fully electric architecture designed to think ahead, balancing efficiency, performance, and software adaptability. Advanced driver assistance evolves from reactive to predictive, reading the road like a continuous conversation. And inside its digital backbone, updates promise the car you buy today won't be the same machine a year from now. For decades, vehicles ask drivers to adapt. This time, the car adapts first. The result is not just smoother motion, it's reduced friction in every interaction, from acceleration to navigation. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from machine to environment. Materials feel deliberate, layered with soft textures and subtle reflections, creating a space designed for calm focus. The digital interface stretches naturally across your field of view, minimizing distraction while maximizing clarity. It's not just comfort, it's cognitive ease, the sense that everything is exactly where it should be. In motion, the cabin becomes a quiet observatory of the world outside. In a market crowded with ambition, the 7X positions itself between premium comfort and high-tech experimentation, challenging established benchmarks from both legacy automakers and new EV leaders. Its presence reflects a broader shift: software-defined vehicles becoming the new competitive frontier. For buyers, this means choice is no longer just about horsepower or range, it's about ecosystems, updates, and long-term value. The ripple effect reaches beyond a single model. It pressures the entire segment to evolve faster. Because when expectations rise, the industry has no choice but to follow. Looking ahead, the Zeekr 7X feels less like a final product and more like a glimpse of what mobility is becoming: software-driven, sustainable, and quietly integrated. Its evolution isn't about impressing with specs, but about how naturally technology blends into everyday life. If this is a glimpse of where mobility is heading, the conversation is just beginning. Share your thoughts, your expectations, and what you think the next chapter should look like. And if you enjoy cinematic journeys into the future of cars, stay with us, there's always another story on the horizon.